This video, we'll see how can we use the Sparklines to track individual student progress. So what we do here is, again, we look at how can we track student progress. So what we can do here, we can use the Sparklines, which is, if you go to Insert, and this is Sparklines. And you will need to create Sparklines. Yeah, so you'll tell that what's the data that you're going to create Sparklines. So we're looking at the individual student trends. Yeah, so I'm going to put these 3 data points, and then you enter, and then OK. So you will see that there's a line, and that's created in the cell that shows how this student, the trend is the student on the test 3 tests. So once you have it, and you can fill down the information, and so all the graphs, and so all these lines that will tell the individual student performed from test 1 to test 3. So let me just call Sparkline. And you can also modify the Sparklines. And if you go to the design, so the Sparkline menu, and you can change the color for the Sparkline. So if I choose a different color, like a red, and it will become red. Let me go back to blue. And so if you highlight this, again, go to design, and you can also show high point and the low points. So you can change. You can also change the marker color. So if I want my high point to be green, so then and then the low points is that remains red. And so you can also see the dots and the green dots and the red dots. So that will be useful if you have multiple data points. Besides I like the lines. You can also change the lines to the columns. If you go here, so that will be changed to the columns that each column represent the students' test scores. So I like the line because that you can readily tell just by looking at the lines how each student progressed from test 1 to test 3. This is the end of this tutorial about Sparklines. Hope you enjoy it.